How to turn on SafeSearch in Google Chrome. If you want to make Google Chrome safer by filtering inappropriate content, this video will show you how to enable SafeSearch and improve your browsing security on Android. First, open the Chrome app and tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Tap Settings, then select Privacy and Security. Scroll down and tap Safe Browsing. From here, select Enhanced Protection for better security against harmful websites and downloads. Now, go back to Privacy and Security and tap Use Secure DNS. Select Choose Another Provider, then tap the drop-down menu and select Clean Browsing Family Filter. This will help filter inappropriate content and provide a safer browsing experience, especially for shared or family devices. That's how you can turn on SafeSearch in Google Chrome on Android. If you found this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.